Hi, I'm Steve from Avalanche Safety Solutions. You can find us on the web at avalanchesafety.com, and I'm here to tell you about one of our products. This is the Pieps DSP Avalanche beacon. It's always best practice to keep your Avalanche beacon under your outerwear, but for demonstration purposes I have it on the outside. Comes in a nice little carry case. This is what it looks like. It's a triple antenna digital beacon, and its key selling points are it has a very long range for a digital beacon, and it's very good in multiple burial situations. So this is the Pieps DSP in the off position. To get it to send, just push this button down and push up. And listen very carefully for that click, because it's easy to miss that click and then this thing will slide to search or off without you intentionally doing it. Okay. So it takes a second to warm up, and then it'll give you a battery check there showing 96%. And you're now transmitting and you're ready to go ski or sled or slay the POW. So once the avalanche has occurred and you're ready to go into search mode, just push the button again, push it up into search, and it'll go ahead and tell you how many people are buried. And you can see the signal down here showing us that we have only one burial, and it's approximately 6.1 meters in that direction. If we turn the beacon to that direction, you'll see that the arrow will point us into the middle, and that's ideally where we want the arrow as we follow it in to the buried beacon. So there's also a scan function, which is this button here. And if you push that and hold it, it'll quickly scan the area and tell you how many berries within 5 meters, none. How many in 20 meters, just one. And how many within 50, still one. So you know within 50 meters you're looking for one person. And also, in case there's a secondary avalanche and you need to quickly put your beacon back into send, you don't have to push this button, you just quickly push this down, listen for the click, and now you are transmitting. Okay, so we've just had a multiple burial situation. Let's see what the Pieps DSP tells us. So immediately it tells us that there's 3 burials, and we can use the scan function to find out the approximate distances. So we push and hold. It tells us within 5 meters there's no one, within 20 meters there's 2 people, and within 50 meters there's 3 people. Then it reverts back, and now it's zeroing in on the closest person, and we follow the arrows and off we go. Okay, so the small numbers and rapid chirping indicates we're over our first victim. So we can press the flag button or the mark button, hold. You see a little box goes around the first person. So now our friend can start probing and shoveling that victim, and we can move on to the second one, which shows about 5.6 meters away. So we'll reorient it, follow that, and go find the second person. So again, the low numbers and the rapid chirping indicates we're over top of our second victim, so we can flag that one, push and hold. Box goes around our second, and now we know about our third victim is about 36 meters away, so we reorient it, go find that one. Okay. So overall, the Pieps DSP is one of the best beacons on the market. Additional features include the ability to check your friend's beacon's frequency, and it handles frequency drift, and it's really good at deep burials.